Golden, yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, 'cause we're golden.
Ladies and gentlemen, today I have the third very special video for you. As you can see, we're looking at a BMW E36 M3. This is the rally car of the owner of E36 shop. We work on this car for fun. It's a really cool car, which I'm going to show you now. As you can see, the motor is a S50 V32. This motor is pretty much stock, except for the camshafts. I'm not going to tell you what camshafts they are because we don't want our competition to know what we're running. So we also put connecting rod bearings in and crankshaft bearings and all new gaskets. For the rest, the motor is stock. The motor is connected to a link ECU, which we can program and log for when we want to see what's happening to the car. The car also has a link dashboard. If you follow me, I can show you. So this is the link dashboard. We can't show you the ECU because, well, that is stuck in the car. This is the interior of the car. As you can see, hydraulic handbrake. This is a D2 brake system. I'm going to show you that in a minute. First off, the transmission is a original E36 M3 Evo transmission with a Samsonus kit on it, which means that it's pretty much like a sequential but with the H pattern, and it's called a dog box. For the people who do not know what a dog box is, it's pretty much like a sequential but with an H pattern. This also has a custom roll cage. There's not much to see about that. If you follow me, I can show you the brakes. Now, in short, this system has 2 pots for the foot brake and 2 pots for the handbrake. As you can see, the top line is for the foot brake and the bottom line is for the handbrake. So, the car also has a custom livery. This is the 3rd livery on the car. This is personally my favorite livery because the yellow works really great with the brakes. And that is pretty much it for the car. Go on. Wait. So people, as you can see, this is the owner of E36 shop and the owner of the car and Soloco Racing. Now, I'm going to ask him a few questions about his rally car. First off, are you happy with the power level of the car and how it drives?
For the moment, I am very happy.
So, next up, we have the brakes. I know you have been running stock-ish brakes for the last couple of years, but you have upgraded to a D2 system as I've shown you. Now, are you happy with the whole D2 brake system?
For the moment, I did one rally with the car. It was very wet, so I cannot test the brakes. The new configuration is set. Now I can test in dry weather, and now I feel the difference.
Yes, yes. So
it's very big difference.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Are there any more changes you are going to do to your car?
I'm going to get weight scales.
Yes.
And I want to measure.
Yes. Corner balance.
Yes.
Car.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So that's pretty much it then, I guess.
Yes. I think I can beat my
your competition.
Yes.
Okay. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to go and do some rolling shots. my god, echt, ik ben er
Heb
niet
je
goed van.
een keer heel rap gereden?
Ja, ik ben er niet goed van. Ondertaal, op.
Ziet?
Daar, ondertaal, daar.
Ik ben ook schoon. Wie is?
Live life golden, yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden.